Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up in Framer. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to framer.com and log in using user credential. Then, simply open your project panel, then click on Insert. Here, you can choose anything you want to insert. I will choose Design and name this Pop-up. Now, hit Enter, and if you want the pop-up on your home page, make sure that the home page is selected and make sure the dimensions are in accordance with the pop-up. After you do this, you'll have to click on Layout option, choose Frame and make a frame first. Make sure you know the dimensions and make it. Now, place it in the middle and you can click on this and the attributes will be shown to the right. Here, you're going to choose Fill, choose Color, so you can choose any kind of color you want. I will choose something like red. Now, I can make this pop-up big or small. I can also choose the shadows. Now, after I do this, I'll have to enter text. So choose text and select a size. Now, simply enter the top title of the pop-up. Make sure it is small and concise. For example, I will type in discount booking. Now, you can select this text and you can choose the font for this. You can choose the weight like medium, bold, italic or anything else. I will choose bold. Now I will select the alignment. Now it's in the middle. Here, I can choose text and enter any kind of text you want. So if your pop-up is about informing your audience, you can type in anything you want. Select the text size to be a little bit lower and you can add your text. And here I'm going to add open table. Now I will make sure it's in the middle. After I do this, my pop-up will be ready. You can do more editing if you want. You can add other elements like open table, product hunt, folk, Eventbrite or any code block and much more. So you can edit your pop-up anyhow you want. After you do this, you can insert another frame the size of the page. Set its fill to black and drop the opacity to around 40 to 50. Place this frame behind the pop-up and this will be your dimmed background overlay. You can select the overlay and pop-up, right click and create a component and this entire pop-up setup becomes a reusable component. And inside this component, you can create two variants like closed and open. You can animate the pop-up variant by adding a slight scale in or fade in. Now you can click preview and tap the open button and your pop-up should fade or scale in smoothly after you apply the effects. And that's how you create a pop-up in Framer using components, variants and simple interactions. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.